want to make your Google Docs stand out with a custom background color? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the background color in just a few clicks. To change the background color, open your Google Docs file and then go to File in the top menu and select Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, click on Page Color and you'll see a color palette appear. Choose a color from the options or click on Custom to create your own unique shade. Once you've selected your color, just click on Save and OK. And your background color will instantly update. If you want to set this as a default for all new documents, click Set as Default before clicking OK. And that's how you change the background color in Google Docs. Now you can customize your documents to match your style. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more Google Docs tips and like the video. See you soon. Bye.